Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how my betta tank looks like after 3 months from the initial setup. As you can see, no betta is here because I had removed them on a bigger aquarium. As you can see, all the plants are super healthy and are growing very well, and I have no algae issues. My maintenance routine includes a 50% water change per week with remineralized RO water, and I add 2 times per week some micro and macro nutrients. Now in the aquarium I have a small colony of shrimps, some Clython corona snails, and a small group of Corydoras pygmy. In the description below you will find all the information about the technical equipment that I am using in this tank.